Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is 17.7 and we are on Sunday let's have a look on here, shall we? Sunday 19th of November. As you can see, these are going really well. I have my basil, mint, coriander, oregano, lemon balm and chives. These all look like they're doing really well. At the back here, not so good. We have my petunia seedlings. I had 3 or 4 that the slugs and snails have got in there. I've only got one of those left. My pineapple lily, just one of those. Come over here to the sweet peas. These are all looking really well. I've nipped the tops out of some of them. And they're starting to bush out nicely. And then at the front here we have viola, helenium and carnations. All 3 of those are growing really, really well. So yeah, everything is going great. Over here, say hi monkey. Hi Paul, hi monkey. We have like some tomatoes that I'm going to sow over the next few days. Start sowing those. And then we have up here, these are my petunias that self-seeded this year. You can see these, but these smell absolutely divine. Wow. I'm going to prune all these back so they bush up nicely. You can see you've got a bit of powdery mildew, so I'll give these a spray for that. Now I've noticed that. Give those a treat for that. Prune them back to about 4 or 5 inches. And they should all start looking really well. Up here is where I'm going to put everything else. Now all those are being washed and cleaned. Come back round here. Oops. So yeah, that's just a quick test of what's occurring. If you have any questions about anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and give me a like. It really does help my channel grow. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey. Bye, everybody. Bye.